Do you want to know how to start a car wash business? Starting a car wash can be a profitable venture, especially if you live in an area where people value their vehicles and are willing to spend money on keeping them clean. Unlike many businesses that require inventory management and supervision during operational hours, car washes function a little bit differently, making them an appealing business venture for many entrepreneurs. So, how do you go from zero to owning a fully operational car wash? Here's the lowdown, packed with details to get you on the fast track to becoming a successful car wash owner. Before we jump into the video, please note that I may earn a referral fee from the services and companies I feature, but rest assured, there's no extra cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Northwest Registered Agent is professional formation service to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in description down below. Now, let's continue our video. Car washes provide drivers with vehicle washing services that are both necessary and convenient. Regularly washing vehicles helps protect their paint and reduce the harmful effects of road salt during the winter. For drivers who live in apartments or other settings without the ability to wash their cars at home themselves, car washes are a must. Drivers who live in settings where they have access to a hose and can wash their vehicles in their driveway may still use car washes because of their convenience. There are four main types of car wash businesses. Automated conveyor car washes require a more significant upfront investment but wash much higher volumes of cars daily. Self-serve stalls allow customers to wash their own cars with wands and hoses for a per-minute fee. While self-serve facilities have lower startup costs, they wash fewer cars per day. Full-service car washes exist where attendants are present to hand-wash the vehicles. A mobile car wash business brings the car wash to the owner. According to the International Car Wash Association, in 2022, the professional car wash industry had an annual revenue of approximately $13.4 billion in the US alone. And guess what? Roughly 8 million vehicles get cleaned at car washes every day. With increasing vehicle ownership and less time for DIY cleaning, the demand for car wash services isn't likely going to go away anytime soon. Let's walk you through the checklists to start a car wash. Starting a car wash isn't just about knowing how to operate the equipment or mix the right cleaning solutions. It's about understanding the business landscape, staying ahead of trends, and meeting customer expectations. Here are some of the common steps to get started. Step 1. Assess the market. Before you commit your hard-earned cash and precious time, you need to figure out if there's enough demand for another car wash in your desired location. Without thorough market research, you might be heading down the wrong road. It's like having a compass guiding your decisions. Dive into local demographics, see how many car owners are in the area, and what they can afford. Social media can be your friend here. Ask people directly what they want in a car wash. Take a spin around your potential competitors, observe their activity levels, services, and prices. Armed with this knowledge, you'll make a more informed decision and tailor your car wash to meet the real needs of your community. It's about setting yourself up for success from the start. Step 2. Write a business plan. After gauging market interest, it's time to craft a business plan. Focus on market analysis to show why your car wash will stand out, whether through unique services or strategic location. Highlight your management team's skills and passion, they're the ones steering the ship. Your chosen location isn't just about geography, it's about strategy, showing why it's perfect for your business model. Financial projections are crucial. Lenders want numbers that add up, especially with specific costs like water usage and labor. Before presenting your plan, get a second opinion to catch any potential red flags. It's always wise to have another set of eyes to ensure everything is shipshape before approaching lenders or investors. Step 3. Source funding. Once you've researched and refined your business plan, the next hurdle is securing funding, a make-or-break moment for many ventures. While personal savings are a starting point, they often fall short. Traditional lenders like banks are a common choice, requiring a portion of your own investment and scrutinizing your credit score and collateral. Friends and family can also pitch in, but clear agreements are crucial to prevent personal relationships from souring. Microloans offer smaller amounts with potential business training, aiding startups struggling with traditional loan access. Engaging local investors is challenging, as they typically seek high-growth ventures, but those passionate about the car wash industry might be interested in your unique proposition. Make a compelling case for how your car wash meets market needs to attract their attention. Step 4. Register the business. You've got your business plan, you know there's a market, and you've even secured some funding. Great work. Now it's time to get your car wash business legally up and running. This is where your business goes from an idea to an entity that exists in the real world, with all the responsibilities that come along with it. Every state is different, but here's an overview of what you need to think about when registering your car wash business. Choosing a business structure. First up, decide on your business structure. You've got 4 main options: sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and limited liability company, LLC. Each comes with its own pros and cons. Sole proprietorship. This is the simplest and least expensive business structure to set up, making it a popular choice for small businesses. You have full control but are also personally liable for any debts or legal issues. Partnership. This is an option if 2 or more people will own the business. Like a sole proprietorship, it's relatively easy to set up, but both parties are personally liable for any debts or legal issues. Corporation. Corporations offer strong liability protection, as they are considered separate legal entities from their owners. However, they are more complex and costly to set up and maintain. Limited liability company, LLC. An LLC combines the liability protection of a corporation with the tax benefits and simplicity of a partnership or sole proprietorship. This makes it a popular choice for many small businesses, including car washes. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. Most popular service is Northwest Registered Agent, renowned for its exceptional privacy protection features. For just $39 plus state fees, clients can enjoy unparalleled peace of mind along with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With Northwest Registered Agent, customers can rest assured that their sensitive information is in safe hands, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence. Business name registration. After registering the business structure, you may need to register your business name. This process will vary depending on what business structure you pick. Sole proprietors and partnerships will often be required to register a doing business as DBA, while corporations and LLCs register with the state during the formation process. During this time, it's also a good idea to check if the name you want is available as a web domain, even if you're not ready to set up a website yet. Obtain business licenses and permits. Before launching your car wash, ensure compliance with specific regulations like EPA guidelines on water recycling. Research state and local requirements, as they vary widely. In California, registration with the Department of Industrial Relations is mandatory. Obtain necessary general licenses such as a business license, seller's permit, and EIN based on your location. Be thorough in understanding permits related to water usage and drainage, as they may differ by county. Prioritize obtaining all required licenses and permits to avoid legal complications during operation. Step 5. Acquire and set up the location. With funding secured and registration complete, it's time to translate plans into a physical car wash. Location is crucial. It should match your target market and offer high vehicular traffic. Access free traffic count data from state DOT websites or local economic development offices. Ensure the property is zoned for a car wash before proceeding. Zoning laws vary, so verify with the city planning department to avoid delays. Don't risk getting tangled in red tape that could derail your progress. Step 6. Hire staff. Considering hiring staff for your car wash? Start by obtaining an EIN from the IRS for tax purposes. Ensure employment eligibility by completing an I-9 form for each new hire in the U.S. Report new hires to your state's program, adhering to specific state requirements. Understand labor laws, covering minimum wage, overtime, and record keeping, at both federal and state levels. Budget approximately 15% on top of salaries for payroll taxes. Familiarize yourself with state-specific hiring regulations before proceeding. Step 7. Create a marketing plan. Fuel your car wash's success with effective marketing strategies. Utilize social media to engage customers through regular posts and contests. Claim your business on online directories like Google Business Profile and Yelp to increase visibility. Engage with the local community through sponsorships and fundraisers to enhance your business profile. Implement a loyalty program to incentivize repeat business with discounts or free services. Regularly update listings and respond to reviews to maintain a positive online reputation. Step 8. Prepare to open. As your car wash launch approaches, ensure you cover these final tasks for a smooth start. Secure various insurances like property and liability to protect your business, considering specialized options like Garage Keepers Insurance. Set up a reliable bookkeeping system, whether through software like Wave Accounting or with the help of a professional. Open a separate business bank account for clearer financial management. Invest in industry-specific software such as DRB systems or Washify to streamline operations. Plan an exciting grand opening event to engage the community, offering discounts and collaborating with local businesses. Don't overlook these details, they're crucial for a successful launch and long-term success. As you embark on your new business journey, it's important to take advantage of the various small business tools and resources available. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. Northwest offers to walk you through the formation process for free. When you make a free account with Northwest, you'll be given online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthrough, and company document creation. All you'll have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee, plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below.